Hello my friends and welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're going to use this black Paracord 550 for the bracelet core, the gold and the black diamonds and the gold microcord. So if you want to learn how to make this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends, you have full tutorial in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box, where you can find the tutorial for this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today as well. So make sure to check the information cards in the top right corner and description box down below. So that being said, we're gonna start. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Okay, now we're gonna take the black and the gold diamonds. So from here we're gonna take it and pass it under this left side strand and from the top into the gap in the middle, so through like this. We're gonna left a little bit on the side and then we're gonna create the first cobra knot. So take the left side black, place it on top of the core strands and with the right side on top of the left side strand, around and from the back pass it through the loop on the left side like so. And now we're going to tie this. Now we're going to take our gold and the black diamonds and pass it around these 2 strands of a bracelet core. So on top and then from the top into the middle. Now take the right side strand, place it on top of the core strands, the left side strand on top of the right side strand, around from the back through the gap, through the loop on the right side, and tie it well. Take the gold and the black diamonds on top of the core strands, first 2 strands, and then from the top into the gap or into the middle between the second and the third core strand, and to the side, tie it and proceed.